Okay, it's time to do Are You Sleeping? This is the first song that you're going to play on your ukulele. Ukulele, the correct pronunciation. And it only uses one chord. So it's only going to use the C chord, which is played with your ring finger and on the bottom string, 3rd fret, and you just put it on the blue dot where you placed your blue dot. We're going to be playing this with a quarter strum, so on the quarter notes, and it will be all down. By the way, if you want to play with your thumb, that's good. If you want to play with your finger, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, play. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Again, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding